searched how to buy shares of Natural Alternatives International Inc., a company that manufactures nutraceuticals and dietary supplements. Its stock trades on NASDAQ under the ticker NAII. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy NAII, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an ID document, and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform's search bar and enter the ticker NAII to find the listing. Select the result that clearly shows Natural Alternatives International Inc. to load the correct stock page. On the stock page, review the company overview, the price chart, and recent information to confirm it is the right listing. Check the name and the NAII ticker match before proceeding to trade. Tap Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, review the order details, and then confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, the order may execute when trading resumes, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After the order executes, your position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro and further resources is provided in the description below.